Hello, I'm going to present to you the programming language Java. The objective of the course is to learn the basics of programming using the Java language as a support. These basics are practically common with the overwhelming majority of languages of programming. Java is a general-purpose programming language that is class-based, object-oriented, and designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. Java is platform independent and its main feature is write once, run anywhere. It runs on top of the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, which makes the code portable. As all programming languages, an integrated development environment is used to write Java code. The most popular ones are NetBeans, IntelliJ, and Eclipse. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos are coming soon.